Welcome to Tuesdays with Miss Tinkerdoodle, where we're going to learn about art. Come on in and join me. Come on. Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Miss Tinkerdoodle. I'm so happy that you are here joining me today to celebrate International Cow Day. We're going to make some ice cream today with a couple of great friends of mine. But before we head over to make that ice cream, let's talk about cows for a bit. So, did you know that a baby cow is called a calf? A female is called a cow, and a male is called a bull. Did you also know cows have 32 teeth, one stomach, with 4 compartments to digest in? Did you know that there are 3 million cows in India? One Great Dairy cow can make 400 glasses of milk. That's a lot of milk.
400 glasses of milk a day. Holy moly.
There's a lot of people in the world, so I guess that makes sense, right? Cows are fabulous creatures. They're social. They like to be with other cows. In fact, they even have some besties. Like, they prefer one cow over another cow that they might not like as much. And they'll hang out with that cow opposed to the other cow. I think that was pretty interesting. Oh man, I guess it's time to go and make that ice cream. But I had one odd thought. Do you want to hear it? Do you think if cows could laugh, milk would squirt out of their nose? That would be crazy, but super funny. Anyways, let's go make some ice cream. Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Miss Tinkerdoodle. I'm here with my friends, Jacob, Joshua, and Emma.
Hi.
Hello.
So today, you know what we're gonna make? We're gonna make ice cream. And while making ice cream, we're gonna make it so you guys don't have to use any big tools in the kitchen. You can make it by yourself as long as you have the ingredients. Yeah, okay.
Quick, pause the video so you can write down the ingredients.
Vanilla, 1 tablespoon. Condensed milk, 1 can.
Okay.
Half a can of evaporated milk. 1 green cardamom.
Let's talk about cardamom and how to use it in this ice cream dessert.
Jacob and I are going to flavor the ice cream with green cardamom. Let me show you how to do it. Jacob, this is what a green cardamom looks like. We need to get the seeds out of here, this little pod, which is very papery and small. Crush the green cardamom with the rolling pin just gently. Oops. And see, we've crushed it. Just that little bit of weight has opened up. We're going to open up this pod like this, and you'll see little black seeds. That's what we want. Okay? See these little black seeds? That's what's going to go into the ice cream. It gives it a lovely flavor. They're very strong, so you just need 1 or 2, and I like it a little milder. So you're going to use this rolling pin, Jacob, and you're going to do this. And you're going to crush, you're just going to go over the cardamoms and you're going to crush them.
Okay.
See? So you just kind of want it to look like that. Now we're going to just add this little bit of flavor to the ice cream. Jacob, would you like to do that?
Sure.
Just add that to the ice cream bowl. Let me bring.
Back to the ingredients.
Sugar.
1/4 cup of sugar.
Whipping cream.
2 cups of whipping cream.
Bottle.
Bowl.
Measuring cup.
We're also going to need 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt and anything to put on top to add more flavor. We have 2 cups of whipping cream. This cup is 473 milliliters of whipping cream, and we have a bottle here, an empty bottle. Oh yeah, we got sugar too. So what we're gonna do in order to make ice cream is you need whipping cream first. So you're gonna take 2 cups of the whipping cream, and you're going to put it into a bottle that's 1 liter in size. So ask for help if you need help, but we're gonna pour this right into this bottle. Woo! What sound does the cow make? That's right, and we're making ice cream because it is International Cow Appreciation Day. And what better way to appreciate the cows?
Make ice cream.
Exactly.
It's filled with cream.
Yeah. Now we are going to take this lid right here.
It's blue.
That goes with the water bottle.
Shake it.
Yes, correct. We're going to shake it up. Go ahead. Shake it. Give it a good shake. And that's how we're going to make the cream. You don't need a blender to do this. You just need to shake it up. Shake, 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 shake. And when you get tired, you have friends who can help you. So when you get tired, you pass it to a friend. Yeah, and you just keep on shaking and keep on shaking for maybe a minute, maybe 2. And before you know it, you're going to have whipping cream without a blender. Can you imagine? Do you want me to see? Let me see how big it is. So every once in a while, you can check to see if it's thick. Getting thicker, shake it for 2 seconds. You ready? And I'll give it right back to you. Okay?
Yeah.
Hey, Joshy, can you let me add some sugar to it? Great stuff. Let's open the lid, check for thickness. Is it pretty thick?
Yes, I can see it.
Ooh.
Looks pretty thick.
Okay, let's add the sugar. We have a funnel. It was an additional piece of equipment that you're gonna need. You're gonna put that up there, and then you want to get up on your knees.
Sugar in here.
Okay. Can you hold that, and Emma, you pour in the sugar? Okay. Give it a little wiggle so all the sugar's in there. Is all the sugar down?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Now put the lid back on, really tight. Maybe Jacob can put the lid on.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
See if I go like this.
No.
Oh, it's not pouring out.
No, don't do it. Don't do it.
Look how thick it is. Look, the whipped cream is very, very thick. It's ready to go for your ice cream. Taste that?
Yummy. Good.
It's good? Okay.
Now I'm gonna taste it. That's very good.
And when you can't squish anywhere else, hey everyone, I made a mistake. So I've left Emma, Joshua, and Jacob to create their ice cream using a bottle, but also using a bowl. And then I started thinking, I should have put everything in the bottle. So that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, you ready? We're gonna take 2 cups of whipped cream and we're gonna put it in the bottle. I've created a funnel out of some wax paper. I'm just gonna pour all the cream, the whipping cream in here. Then I'm gonna shake it with the lid on for about 3 minutes. I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay, so it's pretty thick right now. I'm gonna just open it up. Yep, it's looking nice and thick. I'm going to add this sugar to it. So we're doing 1/3 of a cup of sugar that I've
If you want it less sweet, only add 1/4 of a cup of sugar.
Carefully. There we go. Sugar is in, and we're going to continue to shake it a little bit. There. No more sound. When you hear no more sound, it's ready to go. So I'm just going to do that on the counter. I'm going to open this up So now I'm going to pour all the other ingredients into this bottle. But before you can do that, the cream's probably right to the brim. So just get a long wooden spoon and push it down a bit. And then you can pour roughly half a cup to 3/4 of a cup, even 1 cup, to be honest with you, of carnation milk, evaporated milk. It gives it a certain richness that I find completely decadent. So you're gonna pour that in nice and gently. There you go. So I poured all of that in. Put this aside. You can put this spoon down. You're gonna add 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, which balances out the sweetness.
Now add my favorite, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk.
Now we're going to add just a tablespoon of vanilla, and then we're going to shake it up again. You can just pour it into a container of some kind. So here is my container. I'm going to pour the ice cream mixture in it. There we go. It all comes out quite nicely. Looks delicious. If you're allergic to nuts, do not add a Reese's Pieces bar. Add something you can eat. I'm going to add the Reese's Pieces bits or chocolate bar that I chopped up. Jacob and Emma and Joshua added a cardamom, which is a kind of spice that just is delicious in ice creams and desserts. Green cardamom. Here we are. I'm just going to give it a quick little mix. Just combined everything in there. And that's ready to go. This is going to go into a freezer, cover it up well, for 5.5 to 6 hours. And then it should be ready to scoop and share. I just have one important question left. Who wants to lick the bowl? Of your homemade ice cream.
Good.
You made it yourself.
Great. I really like it.
Now you can make ice cream without anyone else's help, really. This was so much fun. Thank you guys for helping me make an ice cream.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
So, what do you get from a pampered cow? Can you guess? Spoiled milk. I know, super cheesy. Oh, cows make that too. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Tuesdays with Miss Tinkerdoodle. I'm so happy you could join me. Join me next week for International Lollipop Day, where I think we're gonna make a lollipop land of some kind. I might even have a few friends over to help out. Until next time, remember, life is too short not to sparkle, so always bet on yourself and be good.